Hello, welcome back to the channel. This is Joe from Virtue, and in this video we're going to be showing you how you can achieve this look using your Ikea Pax wardrobes. Now it's very simple, it's just a few small steps you need to take to be able to achieve this look. But in this video we cover all the bases, so stick around and let's go. As you can see, just got the laser set up now, just getting those markings for the base on the floor. We are going for a cornered wardrobe here, so there will be a slight dog leg. It's important when setting out that you do make sure that your markings are square to the room. If the walls are ever so slightly out of square, just make sure that the base is perfectly square, and also if either of the walls are out of plumb, you do allow for this in your base, because it's very important that the base is flush with the front of the wardrobe. So if there is any out of squareness or gap, just make sure they're at the back of the wardrobe and you've allowed for them. So getting the base down now, I have opted for 72 on this one just because we are going to use a 170mm skirting board, and opting for the 72 base just gives us a symmetrical measurement between the bottom of the wardrobe and the top of the wardrobe. So just be nice when our handles are central to the doors, they should hopefully be central to the room as well. So as you can see, I'm just using these little angled brackets. With these, what you want to do is screw these to the floor, slide your base up level, and then screw straight through the back, straight into the timber, and then keep your base nice and level. Doors on 2, 3, just so when I put this MDF down this side, also the top, we can bring it forward
just flushed with the edge to get this completely built in. This 18mm will cover the base, cover the side of the wardrobe, so flush down with the doors, so when we open this door, so it's nice and flush, colour matched in, and then scribed into the wall and up to the ceiling, and that will cloak that off then. Then we'll do the same with the bottom, around the top, around this bottom, and then around the top as well. So I'll finish around the bottom like that, follow all the way around. Right, so we've got side panel in, bottom, they're all fixed. We've got the 3x2 CLS, which is just stepped back enough, so when we put our top plinth header on, it brings it flush with the doors. We do the same on this side. We've got the lights all in, lights all working. Off. That's annoying. So we'll get this 3x2 across the top and then get this header scribed in. The ceiling is a bit on the wonk, so I did put these doors on but I've took them back off now, just because I can't get it in with the doors on. Like I said before, don't know what I'm going to do with this end yet, so I'm going to get that on, the doors on, handles and everything working, ready for decoration, and then figure out what I'm going to do in that corner when the radiator pipes are moved, because that's coming more central to the window. Right, so all of the MDF is on now. Get the doors back on, get the handles on, and then I'll put this piece of skirting along these two sides, put this one in and temporarily fix that one with some screws, just so we can still get access down into that corner until that's moved, just so you can kind of see what the finished pre-decorated product will look like, with the whole aspect of having it built in, etc. So we'll get the doors on and then show you all of that. That is job done. Let me know what you think in the comments, but overall really happy with how this has turned out. Obviously there's a little bit of sanding, filling, etc. to do before decorating, but that'll be for another day. Let me know what you think.